Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar over the last few days, we've been trying to determine whether this is a 1, 2, 3, which would look like this, or whether it's an ABC, which would go to a Fibonacci level and then turn down very aggressively. With this big turn that we're having this morning, it could definitely be an ABC and it could definitely start another wave down. So we definitely want to keep an eye on it on sort of time frames for a nice break of structure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now there is a chance this is like a wave A and this is one, two, three up for a wave B and this is a wave C. So if it does break structure but then almost instantly rejects it, rejects the break of structure, especially if it's a Fibonacci retracement bounce, then that is exactly what I would be looking for an entry to go long. Now, on the other hand, if it breaks structure without even looking back, like my mentor used to say, if it breaks structure and it's a very obvious break, very, very, very strong break, that is a real break of structure, and that means that we're probably back into the downtrend. So it's very important that you pay attention to your fib levels and your structure levels because that's going to tell you a lot about what the next leg is likely going to be. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.